In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily save iPhone messages, so be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messages app and I'm gonna show you how you can easily save one particular message. All you have to do, guys, is just get into a conversation, then long press on a message you would like to send. Then we'll be able to copy that message. That will copy the text of the message we've selected. And after that we can go, let's say, to Notes app, and then we can paste the message here. Or we can also head over to, let's say, Some Messages application, and then we can in that way save it here. Also, from Messages app we'll be able to long press on that message, then tap at More, and then tap right over here at that button. Then we'll be able to forward that message to someone. So let's say if we want to send it to some other user, to some contact, we can get in the contacts book, select a user, and then tap at Send to forward that conversation to another user. Not conversation, but one particular message. Also, if you would like just to keep all your messages history on your iCloud without being deleted, you can easily do so. Just head over to Settings, then tap right here at the very top at your name, get into iCloud Settings, then just under the apps using iCloud, tap at Show All, and that's where you need to look for messages. Basically, guys, all you have to do in here is just ensure that this button next to Sync this iPhone turned on. When it is turned on, that will sync messages to iCloud, so you can continue your conversations from all your devices. And also, if you have lost your device, you will be able to easily recover all your messages history simply by logging into your Apple ID at another device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.